Hi friends, my name's Jordan, and you're watching Geo and Dan.
Someday you'll know. Already know what I'm going to say. I've been feeling this way for far too long.
Thank you all for being here and watching our videos. You guys, it truly means the world to us. Here on Geo and Dan, we do crafting, we do tutorials, we do home decor, we do organizing, we do everything home. I love this, and I so appreciate you guys taking the time out of your busy days to watch our videos. You guys, today's video is an organization video. I have a front hallway closet that we put our shoes, coats, backpacks, everything in, and it's gotten to the point that I can't even put anything in and close the doors. It was so bad. So I bought a few things off of Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. I get a small percentage if you click on our links, but I will link everything down in the description box down below of everything we used. We got this awesome shoe holder, and you guys, it has changed my life, and it's only been a week. It has individual doors that I was able to label with each person's name. So they lift it up and they have a spot for 4 pairs of shoes, and anything else goes up to their bedrooms if they have more. So it's definitely been amazing. The video is a little bit dark. I apologize for that. We were working in a space that didn't have a lot of light. Tried to use our lights to brighten it up, and that helped a little bit, but yeah, it was just not as high quality as I would like it. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's get into it. So definitely you can't see the full before because we've taken a lot of things out, but we just started by taking everything out of the closet that we could. There's a shelf above that had so much more stuff that we took everything out of as well. We also had some hooks for backpacks and coats, but they were kind of wonky and in weird places and not enough for everybody. So we were ending up putting 5 backpacks on one hook, and it was just not sustainable. So my husband removed those hooks. We got some other hooks from Amazon that I'll link below that I love. They're very farmhouse looking. I cleaned with cleaning wipes, and then I took a magic eraser, and you guys, magic erasers are my best friend. I love them. But all the scuffs on the wall, everything, I took the magic eraser to it and cleaned everything. But I won't bore you guys with all of the cleaning. Then we set up this shoe shelf, and it was very easy to put together. It had the connectors on all of the corners, and then you put in each of the sides, and then you can choose to have a bigger cubby or divide the cubby in half, which is what we ended up doing. And then you put on the front doors of each cubby, which was wonderful. So we just showed you how we put together the bottom portion of the shelf, but once it's done, it's amazing. I love it and highly recommend it. I will link that down below in my description. Oh my word, the amount of butt crack I had to edit this video is out of this world, but love my husband. This is just a little sneak peek of being able to open up the drawers and see the shoes in the shelves. I love them. We took video of putting these hooks on, screwing them in and everything, and for some reason the video is not working. But we put 2 hooks on, and then we're able to put the backpacks and their coats on the hooks. I loved these hooks because they have 2 separate hooks on one hook, so they're able to put both of their wings on each hook. We ended up doing 4 hooks on one side and 2 hooks on the other side. We did the 4 on one side because of our 4 kids, and then the 2 on the other side so my husband and I had a place to be able to hang our coats as well.
Scrolling through my phone now. I wish there was a pill to get over someone you love, but doesn't have no more.
You know I have to use my label maker in every organization video. It is my jam. But I labeled each of the cubbies so all of the kids knew which cubby was theirs. Scrolling through my phone now. I wish there was a pill to get over someone you love, but doesn't have no more, doesn't have no more. I wish I could delete every inch of me that feel like you're all I need and more. You're not all I need no more, I've been having the hardest time keeping track of all of my kids' lunch boxes. They end up in the pantry, in the front closets, in the hallway closet, on the floor, in the shoe baskets, everywhere. So I ended up putting their lunch boxes on top of the shoe cabinet, and that's been wonderful. They just put it there at the end of the day, and they know where it is.
But you make me go to stupid parties with your homies. When you know I'm way too shy to function right. When you know I'll probably mess up your night, baby. Oh baby, ooh, I really need for you to save me. 'Cause right now
Our hall closet is also our storage for our mop and our vacuum, so it was easy to be able to put it in at the side. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed me and my husband organize. I love these kinds of videos. It inspires me. It makes me want to do more. I just love the feeling of taking something that is cluttered and piled with stuff and make it look beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. If you like these videos, please let me know. Like this video, comment down below, and please subscribe. We are so close to 500 subscribers, and when we get there, we're going to do a giveaway. Also, I have a part 3 of my Harry Potter series that I haven't finished editing yet, but I wanted to ask you guys, where it's now not Halloween anymore, if you would like me to post it still. I know Harry Potter, a lot of people do birthday parties, they decorate their house with Harry Potter theme, all of that kind of stuff. So it's not just a Halloween themed thing, but let me know if you guys would like us to post that 3rd part. We also have a Harry Potter tree and maybe have a video coming out about all of that, which I'm excited about. But I love you all. Please subscribe, and until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.
Someday you'll know. Someday you'll know. You know what I'm going to say? I've been feeling this way for far too long.